Alright, what is up YouTube? This is Ayush Sharma and you are watching Bodybuilding Fitness and Lifestyle. In this video, we are going to continue the Anabolic Steroid series. This video is part 5 of module 1. If you haven't watched those previous videos, I will highly suggest you guys to check those out, as you will get to learn a lot from them. In this video, we will talk about the applications of steroids. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. Anabolic steroids are approved for sale by prescription in many parts around the world. These steroids have a number of well-established medical uses. In many instances, these steroids have proven to be life-saving. We will talk about some of the most common and accepted medical applications of anabolic steroids. The first one is androgen replacement therapy, also known as hypothyroidism. It is also called as HRT or TRT. This therapy involves the supplementation of testosterone to alleviate symptoms of low testosterone levels. If you want to know complete details about TRT, comment down below. The second one is anemia. So basically anemia is a condition in which you lack enough healthy RBCs to carry adequate oxygen to your body tissues. Anabolic steroids stimulates the production of red blood cells. Hence they are used in the treatment of anemia. Third one is angioedema. It is swelling beneath your skin. It can happen at many points on your body, including your face, throat, voice box, arms, hands, legs, or feet. Anabolic steroids are commonly prescribed for the treatment of it. Other diseases where anabolic steroids are prescribed includes breast cancer, infertility in male, libido in female, osteoporosis, and many more. Now, if you want to know in detail how anabolic steroids plays an important role in the treatment of these diseases along with research studies, do comment down below. Now here we end our first module, which is anabolic overview of this course, where we have covered these topics: introduction to testosterone, direct and indirect effects of anabolics, free versus bound testosterone, estrogen aromatization, DHT conversion, and applications of anabolics. Now, if you have any doubts in these topics, do comment down below. In the next module, we will talk about side effects of anabolics. So stay tuned for it, as it is an important module. Now, if you enjoyed the video, let me know by leaving a thumbs up and a comment below, as it boosts my confidence a lot. By this, Ayush Sharma, signs off and have a nice day.